Hello friends, learning about the candlestick is just the beginning of our journey, but it is the most important part of our journey because once you understand how the candlesticks are plotted, it becomes much easy to identify the patterns. But if you don't know how to draw these candles, then I request you to check out this video first because without this knowledge, this video doesn't make any sense to you. Now let's get started. And if you are hearing this voice for the first time, don't forget to press that red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get interesting finance and share market videos. This is how the candlestick chart is look like if we plot it on a daily basis. I hope you remember that this green candles indicates bullishness and the red candles indicates bearishness. Now we know that green means bullish or positive. But just take a look to these two green candles. Now what do you think? Which one is more positive? This one or this one? Yes, the first candle is more bullish than the second one. In the same way, if we compare these two bearish candles, then this one is more bearish than this. So it means longer the candles, stronger the bullish or bearish signal. Now let's look on another part of the chart, the time frame. What does it mean? As I told you in this picture, this is a chart where each candle represents a single day. So how do I know this? Just take a look at this part of the chart. Here we select the time frame, means the time duration for each candle. Here are multiple time frames like month, week, day, 1 hour and even 1 minute. Now if I select month here, then this one candle represent the OHLC value for a month, and if I change it to 15 minute, then the candle shows the OHLC values for every 15 minute. The most popular time frame is the end of the day. Why? Because if you are looking at the last candle, it tells you the open price of 9:15 of that day, highest price and lowest price of that day, and the closing price. Now I hope you understand what is the time frame and how we use it. And a last thing, these different time frames are for different type of traders. Like if you want to put money in a company for few years, then you have to select the monthly or weekly charts. But if your investment is for few weeks to few months, then you have to select the daily or weekly chart. And if you are looking for intraday trading, then you have to select 13 minute or 15 minute or even less. And try to remember this rule or take a screenshot if you forget it. Because the OHLC data either be information or a noise. As a trader, you have to filter the information by selecting the correct time frame or it becomes a noise for you. Before ending this video, let me ask you a question. If I want to invest in a company for 2 months, then which time frame need to select? Let me know in the comments. And in our upcoming video, we are going to learn about the 3 key points that helps to find out the perfect stock for investment. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and press that bell icon to get notified. If this video had any value to your life, hit that big fat like button and share this video to your family, friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.